Imagine getting your GST registration in just 3 days. No endless follow-ups, no delay. From 1st of November 2025, this is the reality of small businesses and taxpayers in India. Thanks to GST 2.0 reforms, the registration process is now faster, smarter and more efficient than ever before. In this video, we will discuss what's changing, who benefits, and how you can get advantage of this game-changing update. So without any delay, let's get started. Segment 1. What changed? The Goods and Service Tax Network, that is GSTN, has issued an advisory introducing Simplified Tax Registration Scheme under Rule 14A of CGST Rules 2017. This new framework becomes effective from 1st of November 2025 and it aimed at easing the compliance burden for small taxpayers. Rule 14A seeks to encourage voluntary registration from small businesses and service providers whose tax liability is minimal. This scheme provides a streamlined and automated registration process, specifically with fast registration and minimal documentation. Segment 2. Eligibility criteria. This scheme is open to those taxpayers who are flagged as low risk by the system analytics. Means only small taxpayers who satisfied the following condition can opt for registration under Rule 14A. Number 1. The total output tax liability by supply of goods or services to a registered person should not exceed Rs 2.5 lakh per month and the person does not hold more than one GST registration in one state or union territory under the same PAN. If these two criteria are fulfilled, then you are eligible to get registered under Rule 14A. Segment 3. Key features of this scheme. This simplified registration scheme has key features which are as follows. Number 1. Automatic electronic registration. The eligible taxpayer will get auto-approved GST registration within 3 days of filing Form GST Reg 01, that is GST registration form. Number 2. Aadhaar authentication. Aadhaar authentication is mandatory for Number 1. At least one of the primary authorized signatory and Number 2. At least one promoter or partner of the entity. Number 3. Single registration restriction. As we discussed earlier, no multiple registration under same PAN in the same union territory or state. Number 4. Application procedure. While applying for this scheme in Form GST Reg 01, one must select Yes for Rule 14A option in the respective form. Segment 4. Procedure for withdrawal of registration. We have discussed about the registration. Now let's talk about the withdrawal process. For taxpayer who wish to withdraw from the registration under Rule 14A must adhere to the following conditions. Number 1. Return filing requirement. All of the returns from the date of registration to the date of withdrawal must have been filed. Number 2. Minimum filing period. If the withdrawal is happening before 1st of April 2026, minimum 3 months returns are required to be filed. But if the withdrawal is happening after 1st of April 2026, then the taxpayer must file the return for at least one tax period. There is one more thing regarding the withdrawal which we need to consider, that withdrawal will not be permitted if any of the following is pending. Number 1. Application for amendment of registration. Number 2. Application for cancellation of registration. And number 3. Cancellation proceedings initiated by the department. If any of the 3 is pending, then one cannot withdraw the registration. Segment 5. Importance of GST registrations. Many of my clients asked me this question, that why GST registration is important for a business. Although a GST registration can give you a competitive advantage over your competitors in the market, not only this, it can help you take the input tax credit from the purchases that you have made for the business. Not only this, it can also help you in conducting interstate businesses. It also provides the opportunity to get easily registered on online and e-commerce websites. Segment 6. Document required for fast GST registrations. Having certain documents handy can help you get the quick GST registration online. Below is the list. Number 1. ID proof such as PAN card of the business or authorized person. Number 2. Photograph of authorized person. Number 3. Address proof of the business or authorized person. Number 4. Business registration certificate. And number 5. Bank account details. If you keep these documents handy while preparing for the registration, then the registration task will be very easy for you. Whenever you get registered in the GST, the first task which you have to perform is to prepare the GST invoices. Although preparing GST invoices sounds a little bit complicated, but it isn't. If you use a proper automated software, it will help you to prepare the GST invoices with ease and simplicity. How do I prepare the same? Let's get a walkthrough. I just need to log in to my software and then I need to go to the dashboard. Here I get the option of sales, in which there's an option for invoice. I'll click on that. There's an option of create new invoice. Let's click on that. I'll get the screen in front of me. Here the invoice number is automatically fetched, which is +1 from the previous invoice. Invoice date and due date is here. If we need to change, we can change it from here. Then I need to select a client. Next, I need to select the item. For example, I'm selling the apparel. Let's select the child apparel. The HSN code is automatically fetched here because I have already created the invoice for same. If you need to search for the HSN code, you just need to enter the item and your HSN code will appear here. Next, you need to enter the GST rate and the quantity, then rate of the item. Here automatically CGST and SGST will be calculated. All you need to do is go down and save and continue. With this single click, your invoice is ready. You can simply download the invoice from here, or if you want to send the invoice via email or WhatsApp, you can send it via single click. So it is very easy to be GST compliant if you are using a proper software. This software not only helps me in creating the GST invoices, it helped me in reconciling GSTR 2B with my ITC and also helped me in preparing GSTR 1. If you want to try this software, we have given the link in the description box. With Rule 14A, GST compliance has just got an upgrade. This isn't just a reform, it's a revolution for small businesses. So if you are a small taxpayer, this is the time you can just step in and take the full advantages of this fabulous scheme. So that's all from the discussion for Simplified GST Registration Scheme. If you have any questions or suggestions regarding this topic, please do let us know in the comments. Thank you.